Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Spooler Service Error 1068 with the message the dependency service or group failed to start in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your printer is not working and the Print Spooler service is not starting, then follow this tutorial step by step. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD. When the command prompt appears, right-click on it and click Run as Administrator. Now click Yes. Next, copy and paste the first two commands one by one and press enter after pasting each command. If the first two commands do not work, then let's try the next two commands. Now copy and paste the second two commands one by one and again press enter after each command. If the second two commands fail to resolve your problem, then move to the final method. Again, click on the Start menu and type CMD. When the command prompt appears, right-click on it and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now copy and paste the registry editor add command into the command prompt. Then press enter. After completing the command, close the terminal and restart your computer. After restarting the computer, your problem should be solved. That's how you can fix Spooler Service Error 1068 inches, Windows 11 and Windows 10. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching.